Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Nordic Market News. It is the 13th of April and we're recording in the studios of Direkt on behalf of Infront Finance. Let's look at the markets as of 12 o'clock today for the week and the year to date so far. All the markets were up just over the zero mark for the week, with Oslo pushing ahead at plus 2.8%, while the year-to-date figures are split. The N40, OMXS30 and the OMXC20 are all down nearly 3 to 5%, while Helsinki and Oslo are cruising at over 2 to 4%. In other news, international trade tensions have dictated markets this week, but we may possibly end the week on a high note as Donald Trump opened the doors for re-entering Trans-Pacific Partnership discussions on Thursday night, which led markets to react positively. Looking at the week overall, on Monday, the Danish index heavyweight Maersk led the way by gaining 1.3% after local media published a story indicating that the conglomerate is looking to expand its operations into new fields of the business. In Norwegian markets, Norsk Hydro excelled by advancing almost 7% after releasing a statement that its operations in Brazil were not at all hindered by the heavy rain that occurred in the region in February. On Tuesday, salmon once again pushed against the tide as Nordea published a positive sector analysis. Nordea wrote, "We are encouraged by increasing demand and have raised our target price from 50 to 60 Norwegian crowns per kilo for 2018 to 2020. Among salmon producers on Tuesday, Leroy Seafood's target price was raised and the stock also surged by 7%. Danish beverage giant CARLSBERG was amongst the losers on Tuesday. The company has a significant part of its business in Russia, whose currency, the ruble, dropped drastically. Trump tweeted aggressively towards Russia and Syria on Wednesday, which caused stock markets to tremble. The price of crude oil gained significantly as markets shook, and the Brent subsequently traded above the $72 mark, its highest point since the late 2014. Top news for Wednesday in the Nordics was centered around Swedish Wilson Therapeutics, who received a bid to buy the entire company from ALEXION, a US pharmaceutical company. The bid included a 70% premium and the stock traded just below the price, indicating a 69% gain for the day. On Thursday, airline company Norwegian gained significantly after it became known that British Airways owner, IAG, has been buying a significant portion of the company's stock. Media speculations followed, and when the Norwegian stock was stopped from trading on the Oslo exchange, it had gained almost 20%. In Swedish markets, SAS gained 6.4% in the tracks of the Norwegian story. With just a few hours left of trade on Friday, the biggest news was Swedish paper company Stora Enso, who issued a reversed profit warning and shortly traded more than 4% higher. So that's all for today. Have a great weekend and see you all again next week.